Hello, welcome. Let's look at this episode 7 of combination tutorial. In how many ways can a group of 5 be selected from what? 9 people. There are other follow-up questions, but let's concentrate on this. This is combination. So it means that for the first one, we have 9 people of whom what? How many are we selecting? Of whom 5 is what? Selected. That means our n is going to be 9, our r is going to be 5. That implies that we have 9 combination 5, which is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if we do that calculation, and that will be giving us somewhere 216 various ways. So these are the total number of ways by which we can select 5 people from what? 9 people. Then we have a follow-up question. We are saying how many group can be selected if 2 particular people from the 9 cannot be in the same group. So let's say we have the 9 people are in there, but we have 2 particular people who are not going to be in the same group. It means they are going to be separate. They will belong to separate selection of group. That is among this. Now, how are going to be? We can also take it in a way that the selection of 5 people, whereby there is always an inclusion of the 2 people. We want to see if we can be able to calculate the combination of selection of 5 people when 2 of them are always included. And if 2 is always included, it means that from the pool of 9, we will be left with only 7, because 2 has already been selected. They are included, always included, so they are selected. Then if 2 is selected, then out of the 5, you will be left with 3 to be selected to join them, to make them what? 5 in that committee or in a group. Do we get that? So that becomes the other aspect which, when taken from this, will give us the pool of selection or group whereby those 2 people are not in the same group. Alright, this is what I mean. Alright, even though it's a little bit long, but to portray what I was saying, first we calculate the number of ways of selecting the 5 people with these particular 2 people always be included in the selection. So if they are always included, then we have 7 from whom we are to choose 3. Why? Because 2 are already in that group or in that selection. So that means that we have our n to be 7, we have our r to be what? 3. So 7 combination 3 becomes 7 times 6 times 5 divided by 3, 2, 1. And 3, 2, 1 is 6. 6 cancelling that, you'll be left with only 35. So this is when they are always included. So the opposite is that when they are not included, it is left with the complement. So this number minus this will give me those group when these 2 particular people are not included in the group as together. They might one of them can be in each of the group, but they are not included as what? 2 of them per group. So that will mean the difference between this and this. So all that we are saying is that the question is asking for the number of ways of selecting a group of 5 people from 9 people when 2 particular people are not to be in the same group. That is going to give us 9 combination 5 minus 7 combination what? 3. in the space of this, we are going to have 216. In the space of this, we have 35. So that will actually give us 216 minus what? 35. And this will be giving us 91 what? Weights. Now, if you compare the episode number 6 to this, it seems to be almost in the same direction. So if you've not watched the episode 6, you can check back in the YouTube under the playlist combination and permutation. You can be able to see that there is a little similarity between that episode and this episode. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Like the video, leave a comment and share.